Okay, I got this from a secondhand shop as well. Let's see what we can do with it. Okay, let's see what we have. We have here puzzle bug, 500-piece jigsaw puzzle, and I presume that's the picture featured in the puzzle. So we're going to make something interesting. Unfortunately, some of the pieces have probably fallen out. I don't know what that hole is doing there when I bought it secondhand. I don't know why it has a gaping hole where everything can just fall out. Don't know why. Don't know why. I hate it when that sort of thing happens. I hate it when you get that sort of thing. Gonna move it. Puzzle bug. That's what it says on the side of the box. Anyway, that looks really quite interesting. I don't like that bit there, however. I like the rest of it. It would have looked really nice. Gotta try that again. Gonna do it upside down so we don't get this warning label shit. So we're just gonna do it upside down. Don't know how that's going to look. Yeah, that looks really quite nice. I actually think we could use that. I don't like that bit or these bits here, but I do like the rest of it. Maybe I could cut out most of it, make it into something. Wondering how we're going to make this look any good. Maybe cut that off, perhaps. That's a good question. It's always like that. It's always hard to find the sweet spot of the image, so to speak. Just fucked it up. Sorry folks, this user interface is shit. It's really difficult trying to use it. I don't know what I'm going to do with this puzzle, if it's worth redonating, but it's got a hole in it, so it's probably fallen out. Something probably has fallen out of it, which is a real pain. We're just going to maybe put this on the edge like so, and yeah. But I'm really missing my partner Luigi. I'm trying to get in touch with him, which is really proven to be difficult or even impossible. I'm trying to find him through getting my photocopier art demos going to free-to-air TV on the primetime news slot. And it's not as easy as it looks trying to get my work in there. I really miss my partner Luigi to pieces. Now that looks really good. We still got that, but I think that's acceptable. But I'm really missing my partner Luigi, and I really need to be in touch, because this loneliness is killing me. It is, it's killing me, folks. Being without Luigi is deadly. I'm sorry. It is. I can't tolerate being alone anymore. I've tried to adapt to loneliness for a very long time, and I never adapted truly. Some people like solitude, I don't. The only solitude I like is it's better than bad company. But apart from that, it's useless. Loneliness is like the equivalent of smoking 15 cigarettes a day. And that's without smoking, for real. 15 imaginary cigarettes to do with the stress and anxiety that loneliness brings. So, it's really not a good thing dealing with it. But this has come up better than I thought. Anyway, yeah, that looks interesting. I think now we can call this demo quits.